basically this case is a very good detection by the PI, Concon PS, and the staff at the Polem checkpost. Kal Rati, yesterday night around 8:45, 20-45 hours, routine checking was going on at border checkpost Polem Concon. Okay. ASI Ramakant Veli along with his staff, one constable and 2 homeguards, the routine checking was going on. Normally we concentrate whenever outside registration vehicles are leaving the state from the checkpost, we concentrate more on these vehicles. Basically because they may be carrying contraband liquor or anything. So as we saw this Kerala registration vehicle KL14U3330, this was the vehicle which was passing at the checkpost. So the ASI saw this, it's a Kerala registration, we checked it thoroughly. On checking, basically 5 persons were there in the vehicle. I will just take their first names because details. One Abdul Kader, okay. Then second is Salim B. Then third is Razak Mohammed. And fourth is Abu Bakr Siddiqui. And fifth is Yusuf Abdul Rahman. All these are Kerala natives from Kasaragod. Now, the basic story in this is that 3 persons from Goa, basically from Panjim, they had travelled to Kasaragod. We do not know exactly when they had travelled, but they had travelled to Kasaragod in search of persons, who are dealing in this demonetized, who are exchanging demonetized currency. So they went there, and then these accused persons, they arranged for the currency, and on fifth night, these 3 persons from Goa, okay, along with one of these accused, okay, I would not specifically point out who it is because the investigation is still going. One of these accused returned to Goa in the effort to exchange this 1,48 lakhs into possibly the new notes. So 6th and 7th, and 8th also. 6th and 7th, they made efforts to get this exchange, but they could not succeed. So then what these 3 Goans said, I am also not disclosing the name because the investigation is still going. They said, we cannot exchange it, you take back the money to Kerala. That is when this accused, one of the accused that accompanied them in the Fortuner vehicle to Goa, he called up his other person from there, and then they came. They came on 9th morning. They reached on 9th morning. They directly were called to Panjim, and in Panjim, they from the Fortuner they transferred that money into their vehicle. We do not know at which location. And 9th, they all 5 of them with the Kerala based Swift vehicle and the money, they wanted to go back to Kerala. So when they reached the border at around 8:45, that is when the vehicle was checked, 9th night, and they were detained. Then they were brought to the police station, and the complaint was the ASI filed the complaint, who was in charge of that checkpost to search. He has filed the complaint, and based on his complaint, we have registered FIR. That is Concon PS CR number 7 of 2020 under section 489C read with 34 IPC and section 5 into bracket A into bracket 2 into bracket A read with 7 of the Specified Bank Cessation of Liabilities Act 2017. So that was registered today early morning at 04:12 hours. Today early morning. They have all been placed under arrest, and further investigation is in progress to apprehend the other accused from Goa who are involved in this crime. Now, one team is already being sent to Kerala to trace the source from where they got this 1,48 lakhs. Because it's not a small amount, it's a very huge amount. So, from where they got this money in Kasaragod, Kerala. So, one police team is going there to find out that link from where they got it. And one team is gone to Panjim to arrest the other accused from Goa who are involved in this crime. So that part I cannot disclose the details because investigation is still under progress.
व्हायरल जालो पळय फोटो जो पीसी थंय ड्युटी आसलो त्या पीसी लागून कितें ह्या केसी कित्याक तुमकां त्रास जाला काय कितें इन्वेस्टिगेशनाक?
तातूंत कितें आसा जो पीसी तो पार्ट ऑफ द टीम आशिल्लो, एक ASI, एक पीसी आनी 2 होमगार्ड. आमी रोटेशनान ते चॅकपोस्टार ड्युटीक आसता. इंडिविज्युअलाचे ताजें कितें आहा, इज अ कॉन्स्टेबल. ताणें जे पोस्ट घातला मिडियाचेर दॅट इज अमाउंट्स टू एक्ट ऑफ इनडिसिप्लीन. कित्याक एज अ कॉन्स्टेबल ऑफ काणकोण पुलीस स्टेशन एवरीथींग हेज टू बी रिपोर्टेड टू PI हू इज द इनचार्ज ऑफ काणकोण पुलीस स्टेशन. ताणें अशेंय घातलां की आपल्याक 1.5 लाख ऑफर केल्ले. ऑफर जर केल्ले PI कळोवंक जाय आशिल्लें, ताणें कळोवं ना आनी हे पोस्ट घातला आनी हेंय घातलां की आपल्याक क्रेडीट दिवंक ना म्हणून. इट इज अ टीम. पुलीस स्टेशन इट इज अ टीम एफर्ट. इंडिविज्युअल मागीर रिवॉर्ड ऑलरेडी आतां SP एनावन्स केला. रिवॉर्ड 5,000 रिवॉर्ड एनावन्स केला रिवॉर्ड फॉर द टीम. एज पार्ट ऑफ द टीम ताका रिवॉर्ड मेळटलो. इंडिविज्युअल आमी ताजें हें करना.
पूण तेजेर आतां डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन कितें जातलें काय कितें
तें आतां ताका आमी मेमो इशू करतलो, एक्सप्लेनेशन मागतलो. तुवें अशें कशें तुमी सोशल मिडिया विदावट द नॉलेज एंड परमिशन ऑफ इनचार्ज ऑफ पुलीस स्टेशन तुवें कशें मिडिया आनी वॉट्सॅपार तुमी तें सर्क्युलेट केलें विथ युअर फोटोग्राफ एंड वीथ द डिटेल्स की तुका तुजें क्रेडीट तुका मेळूं ना अशें कोणाक दॅट अमाउंट्स टू इनडिसिप्लीन अंडर द CCS रुल्स. आनी तेय मेन म्हणल्यार ताजेर आसा की ताका 1.5 लाख ऑफर केल्लें तांकां सोडपाक. हें जर तुका जर कळयलें जाल्यार तुवें इमिजिएटली ASI आसा थंय स्पॉटार, PI पुलीस स्टेशनार 24 तास आसता. तुवें तांकां तुजे ड्युटी सुपिरियर्साक रिपोर्ट करप, नॉट टू इन्फॉर्म दी अदर ग्रुप्स. ताणें खूब ग्रुप्सान घातला पोस्ट. इट इज सर्क्युलेटिंग इन मेनी ग्रुप्स. I am stating that this post is totally false, only to get self publicity ताणें घातला. And whatever has happened at the outpost, the seizure of the currency, which is the demonetized currency, is team effort under the direct supervision and guidance of PI Kankon.
हे पोस्ट सोशल मिडियाचेर येतकीर दुसरे एक्युजाक धरपाक तुमकां त्रास जावपाक शकता काय कितें जाता?
कित्याक हो पोस्ट आतां इतलो लेस टायमान खंय सर्क्युलेट जाले तें आमकां सांगूंक शकना. कित्याक वॉट्सॅप जे ग्रूप मॅसेजीस फास्ट वता तातूंत आमकां बाकीचे एक्यूज अलर्ट जावंक शकता. जे गोंयचे 3 जाण आमी मेन्शन करता पळय, जे तांकां हें केल्लें पळय एसोसिएशन विथ दीस केरला पर्सन्स, ते अलर्ट जावंक शकता. आनी तातूंत जर आमकां हिंडरन्स जालें तांकां एरेस्ट करपाक, सो इट वील कॉज लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम फॉर अस आनी ताजेर डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन जातलेंच.